Luckily, I have the perfect case to try out the chairside workflow. This patient needs a crown, and I get to play with my new toy, so it's a win-win situation. Before I hit print, I'm going to scan the patient using SIRIOS. Straumann Signature MIDAS will work with any intraoral scan, but SIRIOS is seamlessly integrated with the Straumann chairside workflow through Access, which saved me a lot of hassle. Here, I'll show you. Open up, please. Okay, good. When scanning, make sure you get a good quality scan. It will definitely help you to design the best fitting restoration. Great! Now that the scan is finished, I'm going to review it and make sure I haven't missed any areas. Remember, you always want to make sure you haven't taken a proper scan since these can impact the restoration fit later. Always a good input means a good output. Once it's confirmed, the scan is uploaded directly from the SIRIOS software to the Straumann Access, where I will access the chairside solution app to get started on the crown design.